the CIGWELD, an ISA brand, WELDSKILL 135 MIG portable welding machine. Ito yung hubby corner, diba? Ito yung hubby corner ni Hubby's. Yes, oh yeah. It's a brand new one, and trust me guys, they are not cheap. But I guess if you need something really good, then you can have this. Most of this is really good with this and this. Back, we do review for the CIGWELD brand helmet welding helmet. This time it's a machine welding CIGWELD machine. Now you see the price. See? Actually they are not sponsored, guys. Gasless operation has complaint maximum mild steel wire size of 8.2 mm, specification here in voltage 240. You see output range, this is here, everything here the dimension mentioned here, and also they have one thing. Yeah, and this one we have also company offered Australia or as a PayPal. It's an expensive. Yeah, that's a price. It's a delivery free shipping. So if you order $99, tools for this complete operation. So this is the one that the main one attached to this. See? So the bottom, and trust me guys, the box is pretty heavy for me and partner to carry the box too. So this is the one main operation. Of course, you have to read it on what instructions for this. You can do whatever you want with this. I can't carry the machine, it's too heavy, guys. I'm going to show you.
guys, I'm back. My partner carried this out from this heavy box, and this is how it looked like here. This CIGWELD machine. This is the operating manual actually. So you have to read all the way on this. Scratch the win.com. It's a so you have to register this online directly. You get something. So yeah, that's a lot of information in this. Very useful if you are up to in this kind of product. Yeah, this there is no limit as well. You know how to operate this one because golden helmet that comes with this almost 500 bucks single this is come to this the helmet one. So I guess this one is hand one. Okay, you have to hand it while the other hand is doing other things for this machine. So so inconvenient. That's what you want. But we bought this. Check the top below, the top for this link if you want to get a what's the welding helmet that we bought as well. I just want to show this to you. So this is really good one compared to this one that comes to this machine. You know what I mean? Just kind of, if you don't want like that, then you can upgrade it into this, which is we do. See, it's really good investment if you want to do something. This is also WELDSKILL auto document welding helmets. Ultra view, true color lens, now with replaceable button. MIG stick tech. The darkening viewing area, impact rating, ultra view lens, adjustment sensitivity and delay, magnification times to optional and the battery replaceable. This one it comes with 2 years warranty. While this machine it says and the receipt that we received this this is 2 year warranty. So I don't know how that works. It's 2 year warranty and the other one is only 1 year. That's how it look like. I'm gonna show you the link on the top if you want to see how it looks on this one. Anyhow, welcome back to this machine. This is the negative one. Can be operated as well in the gas. Yeah, it's a clamp one. They call it earth. This is the really thick, heavy thick cord. Beautiful, and it's black color because if you got white, this is just all the way to the mud and always dirty. It's nice to get black color, so you can plug in. Yeah, I don't know how many length. It's good enough. It's reasonable and nice length. And this is wow, it's heavy machine. It's the identification, blah blah blah. Yeah, this one can be operated in gas or the electric, but of course here electric. So I guess if you go somewhere else storing, you want something else, like you can bring this. By all means, it's very heavy. It can be really reliable. It's something very important. What else here? I'll show you in the front. Like that, and you can write it. This one in the front. You see how thick this one here. Very thick. The one that I'm working with. So this one. Obviously this is the one we're working with. And this one is complete. When it's on, of course, electric on, I guess. And it looks like this. course. So you always have to protect your pretty eyes with your welding helmet. See, this one can be used in the gas, guys. That is why I have this pipe in the gas. Alright, so that's it there. And this one, red plug to go with your battery, but obviously if you're in the house you need the electric one. I'm not sure how gusto the electric for this. I'm not sure it's 240 volts. It's fine, you need something to work on. That's on and off. Good thing this, they are protected by plastic, see? Also on and off. The power. So that's the wire speed here. The number 24681. It's easy to roll to, guys. Here. Select the color blue. Okay. And there is an output voltage. Do not switch while welding. Alright. So of course you have to follow the instruction manual here. The most important thing before you start the thing is to follow the machine manual. But very nice if you are professionally doing this. You just click 2, 3, 4. That's the adjustment for the voltage. And of course this output that's our WELDSKILL 135 MIG welder machine. Pretty heavy. Well, if you are really strong, build machine man, building man. There you go. It's just easy to carry you, but if you are a lady, yes. Well, guys, that's more instruction here as well. Warning: protect yourself and others. Read and understand this level. Do not remove or destroy or cover this one. Yeah, there's a lot of instructions here. Gases and fumes can be dangerous and hazardous to your health. So there you go. Can be caused by hot slugs, sputter, and sparks. So there's a lot of warning here, guys. Instructions. They are in small written. Of course, you can see it. CIGWELD machine, running one, WELDSKILL 135, less than 500. I guess my hubby said anyhow, guys, that's it inside the box. And this looking whatever is like you put the, I think we use this to put in the whatever screw instead of using the iron. But this is handy too if you don't want to upgrade it. The CIGWELD auto darkening welding helmet, this is good. You don't have to adjust it. This is just something to do with your hand while you're working. Just give you that for free. That's it, guys. And that's the one. I hope you enjoyed this portable welding machine. CIGWELD and ASA brand. WELDSKILL 135.